Okay, so this is mostly about chips. So you can first register, and once you register, you have to give your user ID, password, and then date of birth, so that it authenticates that you're above 18. Only 18 and above can have this experience. Okay, so I've got the user ID and password, so I can log two-factor authentication as well once you register. So once you do that, you put your two-factor authentication and then sign in. So once you sign in, you get to the screen where you have to roll and dice. Okay, so I'll show you where exactly you have to do. First, load your TRX. So how much TRX you want to load, where you have to load, go to cashier, get the TRX address from here, and then copy this and then send it to this address. Once you do that, you will get your TRX here, and then go to chips originals, go to dice, and then set roll under 98, roll under 98, and then select auto bet. As I have close to 29,000 TRX, set my rolling amount as 606, and then I would start the auto bet. Okay, so once you start the auto bet, it would start rolling, and then you would see all the entries about the amount and the payout. So once that is done, you can go to your so every time it keeps rolling, it generates chip tokens. Okay, so I would show you how it generates chip tokens as well. Okay, so just go to vault, click on vault, and then you see this token would keep mining. Let me just log these tokens for now. So once you log this, it would go to this site, and you would see the estimated payout for it. And this payout is done in three ways. Okay, so you click on your cut, and then you would see how much you would get paid for that particular day. And if you see this 0.45, so as there was a roll which happened, it keeps generating. So mainly how much ever you roll here, depending on the amount that you roll, it keeps generating this chips token. So once it keeps generating, you can add this and then log this here. So once it gets logged, your payout would keep increasing. So it is more important, see, to Ragger and to generate one chip token, it is approximately $35. So if it completes 60 lakh chips of mining here, this could increase to 36 or 37 depending on the stage and level you are in. So the earlier you mine and keep, the better, and the better payout you get. So this would be lasting for at least 1-2 weeks, where you can get good dividends and your ROI is quicker. Okay, so that's how it should be done, and then you can withdraw it. Simultaneously, you have the you can go to cashier option. So once you get the dividends, you can withdraw from here and then withdraw to your wallet as well. Okay, yeah.